When I saw Riley Reid react to her old videos, I couldn't help myself from noticing the second law of thermodynamics in action. Let's say we got a bunch of gas particles that are initially sitting inside of a container with no energy or mass entering or exiting, so it's an isolated system. Initially, the gas particles are all going to be bundled up right there, which means that the entropy is going to be low because there are very few microstates or configurations for all of the atoms to move. But over time, all of those particles are going to end up spreading out and taking up the entire volume of the entire system. So therefore, the entropy will be increasing. And since this is a closed system, we would define the system through the second law of thermodynamics, which states that the total entropy or disorder inside of a closed system always increases due to molecules randomly moving. We can even model Riley Reid's situation through the second law right here. Let's say at time t equals 0, she ends up uploading her video out there. And let's just say that the internet is a closed system, meaning that no videos will enter or exit during the duration of its upload. After enough time has passed, two people end up viewing the video on the site, which means that now the video is downloaded on their phones, which means that the number of microstates or configurations that the video can exist in has increased. Over time, those guys end up sharing the video, so now there's more configurations for the video to exist. Even more people view it. And eventually, after enough time, everybody views it on the internet. But now that the video is out, you can't suddenly unshare the video because that would be a violation of the second law. The same way, as soon as all of these particles are spread out, you can't suddenly compartmentalize them back again because that's also a violation of the second law. So in the end, we have our girl Riley over here. Whether you love her or hate her, the request that she has is as equally absurd as expecting all of these gas particles to suddenly just go into that corner out of nowhere. And if you understand physics intuitively as a science, you will never have to memorize a practice problem again, which is why I'm creating my guide teaching you how to understand physics as a science, covering all the topics from version 1, along with Newton's second law, torque, and conservation of energy. Make sure you get it before the final exam so you'll have it to succeed.